Hello subs. This will be a quick update. I went to court this morning and I'll get to that in just a second. But real quick, there's one thing I wanted to cover with you guys. They basically have seized my camera and stuff, and that is bad news. It makes it hard on me. I cannot get out and do anything. I can't film anything. I can't do anything. No audits, nothing. So here's what I am presenting to my subscribers. There's almost 300 of you on this channel. I am going to ask each subscriber to give $1. There's a link to GoFundMe in the description for this channel. And if each one of you will give $1, I can go get another video camera. Can't get a good one, or I can get a decent one though. And it doesn't matter. It puts me back in business and lets me get on with what needs to be done. If you can give $2, give $2. You don't have to give a lot. We just have to make it up on volume. Okay? There's almost 300 of you. If everybody gave $200, I'd go get a really good camera. Okay? So it's up to you guys. You want me back in business? What's $1? What's $2? Okay? I've had a couple of subscribers already that have donated. I need to look to get your name. I'm sorry. It's been a little rough here lately. But you know, if you can give more, give more. If you can't give, you know, like and subscribe, and thank you anyway. Main thing is I need to get back out there. I need to show these people. They took the camera and they're holding the camera to stop me, to silence me. Don't let them do that. Don't. So, for the price of a soda times each subscriber, you can get me back in business. And I got to tell you, I've been easy before. I've been easygoing. I've been nice. Now, no. No. I'm going to go straight bunny boots on them. And worse. I do have a subscriber that is going to provide me with a dash cam. That's helpful. And I appreciate that. You know who you are. You asked me not to mention your name, so I won't. Now, on to the court thing. Okay, so I showed up in the Harris County 11th county court this morning. Guess who is the court bailiff? Come on, guys, think. Who is saying Luis Ibarra? Anybody? Anybody saying Deputy Luis Ibarra, the one that arrested you, is the court deputy? You are correct. Now, if you believe in coincidence, good for you. Me personally, and if you ever ask any policeman, they'll say, oh, there's no such thing as coincidence, and I'm agreeing with them. This was deliberate. It's an attempt at just messing with me. That's what it is. So they're having to reassign me to court. But in the meantime, I had to get up at 5 a.m. and drive downtown into Houston and pay for parking and spend all my morning down there just to get sent to another court. And that court date is in early January. I will update on that matter at that point. Now, did have some interesting interaction with the district attorney. She says that she went online and got the video of my arrest by Luis Ibarra. Now, the only video that exists of that, well, there are two videos. Shell has a surveillance video, and the video from my iPhone that was tucked into my pocket right here. Those are the only two videos that exist. So, she says, I haven't had a chance to look yet, but she says she got it offline, so I'm going to look around and stuff. All I can tell you is if she got that video offline of my arrest, and it's from my iPhone. That means they went into my iPhone without a warrant, retrieved that video and God knows what else, and have now put that video out there. That is disturbing. That the Harris County Sheriff Department would break into somebody's phone without a warrant, take that video, and publish it, which is actually fine with me that they did it. I mean, I want the video out there, but it's just disturbing that they would do it that way. Main thing is, I know that there's no warrant for it, because I asked the district attorney if she had issued a warrant, and she said no. I do know that they've been into my phone. I haven't disclosed this until now, but I found some emails that have been gone into, stuff that wasn't previously opened that has been opened now. So they are into my phone, and I've changed all my passwords to solve that problem. But they're doing this without a warrant, and that's just crazy. All right, so next thing is January the 7th. I getting my lawyer on track. I did not have one today, but I will have one in January. They made it clear today that they are what's the word I'm looking for? Let's just say they're going to get me. It was pretty clear today. It was blatantly clear today. So that's it, guys. Like, subscribe as always, and remember, $2 gets me back in business if everybody will just donate $2. Price of a soda. Do you want to see me out there going bunny boots? You want to see me out there exposing deputies? Because that's who I'm going after now. I never went after them before because Harris County is so corrupt, and they have such a habit of making an example out of people who expose them, that I didn't want to fade that heat. Not by myself. Well, cat's out of the bag. And I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. I'm sure that I'm going to have to do some time. They're going to lock me in a county jail over this charge. Or they're going to try to. I'm betting money now that whatever video is out there disappears. And let's see who's right. Thanks, guys. I say I'll update you as details become available. And as soon as I can get hands on a camera, Harris County deputies, I'm going to make you movie stars.